Aquí estamos en el estudio Artistic Keeda Studio para saber más sobre un taller de bachata que un dúo de bachata muy famoso aquí en la India está dando. ¡Vamos!
आप यहाँ पे आए हो इस चीज ने आपको इंस्पायर किया है देन वी विल टेल यू कि कौन सा बचाता हम सीखने वाले हैं ओके बताइए प्लीज किसने बचाता पहले किया हुआ है
I have only done once. Like only this kind of
ओके कौन है लिखना ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच सो जो आप देखते हो इंस्टाग्राम में दैट इज नॉट रियल बचाता वो हमें करना पड़ता है ताकि आप देखो और आप बोलो पाओ वो हमें मार्केटिंग के लिए करना पड़ता है फॉरेन म्यूजिक पे बट टुडे वी गोना लर्न रियल बचाता ठीक है वी गोना एक्सप्लेन कि बचाता है क्यों कहां से आया किस कंट्री से आया वहां पे कैसे होता है इंडिया में कैसे करते हैं हम क्या करते हैं सो वी गोना डिस्कस एवरीथिंग राइट इन फ्यूचर वी आर प्लानिंग टू स्टार्ट रेगुलर क्लासेस आल्सो सो जो लोग इंटरेस्टेड है बचाता को करने में बिकॉज वी हैव सोशल्स आल्सो सो यहाँ पे बेसिकली क्या होता है दिल्ली एनसीआर में गुड़गांव में वी हैव क्लब्स हमारे फ्रेंड्स हम सोशल करते हैं यू गाइस कैन गो देयर एंड प्रैक्टिस यू कैन मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स सो ये सब कुछ है ठीक है गाइस
Hoy he bailado una danza fantástica. Se llama Bachata. Es una danza de América Latina. Y hoy tengo conmigo un dúo que ha convertido esta danza en un baile muy famoso aquí en la India. Tengo la pareja de Gaurav y Yaana, que es muy famoso por difundir y contribuir en este sector de baile que se llama Bachata. Thank you so much, Gaurav and Yaana, for being here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello guys, we
Hello.
are Gaurav and Yaana.
Okay, so Gaurav, firstly, please tell us a little bit about this dance. What is it about, and why is it so popular?
So basically, bachata it's very popular these days, and this dance form came from Dominican Republic. It's a traditional dance form of there, and in India we are trying to promote it. We are trying our best. We are doing bachata on proper traditional songs. We are doing bachata on Bollywood. We are doing bachata on Spanish song, English song. So we are trying to educate people what it is bachata, how in Dominican Republic, how people are mad to do bachata, their music, their lifestyle, how they live their life, you know, it's all very good. And for us also now, we can feel bachata more, and this is what we do. Like all day we listen bachata, and in weekends we teach bachata. This is how we are living our life. We are traveling around the world. And last month we were in Dominican Republic. They invited us and we performed there. We represented India there. We had a performance with Anthony Santos. So it was so good, and everything is going so good.
Fantastic. Yaana, could you tell us where are you from, and how did you meet Gaurav, and how did this wonderful partnership begin?
Basically, I'm from Belarus, but we met here in India with Gaurav, and we met at social dance party also. So
Same
we met.
Bachata social.
Yes, we met through Bachata actually. So Bachata found us together.
Fantastic. And so while doing this dance today, firstly, let me tell you, Gaurav and I, it was a fantastic experience to do the dance with you all today. So you also talked a little bit about your venture and your NGO. Could you tell us a little bit about that and what are you trying to aim through that?
So basically, we run bachata classes, and for us, obviously bachata is a thing, but we try to help few poor people. Basically, we want to feed few poor people who can't, eat on time. So we started a small NGO. We can't say it's an NGO. What we are trying, we started a accessories brand, GNY brand. So we have all the accessories for men and girls and women, all kind of accessories. So what we decided, what revenue we will get from the accessories, we gonna use 30% of revenue to feed the poor people. So this is what we are trying, and this is what we have started. And all videos, while we will be doing this, we're gonna post it on our social media, on our Instagram and Facebook.
Fantastic, fantastic. Muchísimas gracias, Gaurav y Yaana.
Thank you so much.
Son Gaurav y Yaana y son promotores de la danza de bachata. Hoy hice una danza muy famosa que se llama bachata, que poco a poco está ganando fama aquí en la India. Tuvimos el dúo de Gaurav y Yaana que están promocionando esta danza en la India. Y el espacio donde hicimos la danza hoy se llama Artistic Keeda Studios. Y hoy tengo conmigo los fundadores de Artistic Keeda Studios, Vivek, Rana y Ashwin. Vivek and Ashwin, how are you doing?
We're good. We're good. Hola, everyone. Hola.
Fantastic. So Vivek and Ashwin, this is going to all parts of Latin America and Spain. So I want through this video that people who are here, expats or people from the embassy who are living in Delhi or Gurugram, to know this more and tell us a little bit more about the studio. So firstly, what is Artistic Keeda Studios all about?
So Artistic Keeda Studios is all about that passion inside you, which is there, but you're not pursuing it because of your job or work or whatever reasons. We want that Keeda. Keeda means that worm inside you, that artistic worm in you, to grow.
And from dance to theatre to music, western vocal, guitar, drums, orchestra, art and craft, we offer everything for all age groups.
Fantastic. So Vivek and Ashwin, today we did bachata. It's a Latin American dance. Not many people know about it in India. So do you think that you can incorporate more such Latin American dances in future in your studio?
Absolutely, that's the idea. So here in Gurugram, not many people know about bachata, salsa, and all these dance forms. So we are with these kind of workshops, we are trying to introduce all these dance forms to like people in Delhi NCR.
And with the turn up, I would say this is our first workshop with Gaurav and Yaana, and the turn up was really, really good. And we're expecting more people in phase 2.
Great.
Absolutely.
Great. Ashwin, so you being a pro dancer, what do you think about Latin American dancers in India? Do you think that there should be more such workshops so that people in India know more about Latin American dancers?
It's always good to, know the culture of different countries. And here's the place we are offering to everyone out there to come and explore that all the culture so that they can learn, they can train, and they can incorporate so many dance forms in just one place.
Qué bueno. Entonces, si estáis en Gurugram o Delhi, por favor visitad Artistic Keeda Studios.